How do you track calories practically? In this video, I am going to give you a simple example. In the future, I will make more complicated examples. Right now, I am in a maintenance phase and my caloric budget is 1885 calories. Today, I am going to get these calories from lentils. This is how it works. These are my macronutrient split. The main goal is to make sure your protein and calories are on point. As for carbs and fats, you do not need to be very strict. In the next step, you are going to find out how many grams of lentils are going to give you your target calories. And this step is trial and error. Take a diet tracking app like MyNetDiary or MyFitnessPal. In my case, I am going to use MyNetDiary and I am going to put some random grams of lentils. If the calories are too many, I am going to reduce. If the calories are too little, I am going to increase. I will keep on going until I get a number that makes sense. In my case, I am going to use 380 grams of lentils, which will give me about 1338 calories. As for cooking oil, I am going to use 63 grams. This will give me 557 calories. When I add up these calories, I am going to get 1895 calories, which is a bit more than my target. But since I am a casual lifter, there is no problem. The next step is the weighing step. I will take my kitchen scale and portion 380 grams of lentils. After that, I am going to portion 63 grams of oil. Then I am going to cook the lentils. When the lentils are ready, I am going to portion them according to my preferred number of meals. I suggest anywhere between 2 to 4 meals per day. In my case, I am going to have 2 meals. The first one at 2 p.m. and the last one at 11 p.m.